Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I do have some other products that I was testing out at my markets. So if you came by the Halloween Happy Table to buy some of my products, thank you so much. Yeah, there's like keychains, we have some mugs, some totes and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to be using this video for. As I mentioned, they're going to be in my Etsy shop. I'm hoping either Sunday or Monday. I'll post like on my community tab. Everything is ready to ship. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to do like a little planner tote. I have some ideas that I need to like just make physical items of for this year. I have like a huge goal that I'm wanting to, of an item I'm wanting to conquer and create. Anyways, so I wanted to test out little mini totes. If you guys are familiar, this is one of my designs that I have available as stickers. I have a few designs like I did like this for Halloween. I thought the designs were so cute that I kind of wanted to repurpose them and see what people like, I guess. I'm obsessed with these little mini totes, and this is like the perfect little tote. I know it's small, I know. But in my mind, I was thinking this could be for like the book girlies, this could be a lunch tote, this could be a planner tote, life's not so serious tote. Just to give you like a size reference, this is one of my notebooks that I'm gonna have in my shop too. I'll use this if I'm going to get coffee, if I'm going to a coffee shop, just if I want to jot some things down. I throw in my notebook, I throw in what planner I'm using currently, throw in a few pens, chapstick, lotion. It's like the cutest little mini tote, as you can see. Printed on one side, and it's super lightweight, and it's just perfect to like get up and go. You can use for your crafts, like markers, if you're into coloring, if you're doing like journaling, all sorts of stuff. I'm really excited about these, and I just thought they were so cute. I wanted to see how they're gonna do. I do have notebooks that are finally coming to my Etsy shop, you guys. It's been so long since I wanted to do some notebooks. I actually started carrying these at my table during the markets that I did last fall. I have 3 different notebooks available, so those are going to be in my shop. I was just testing these out at in-person events to see how they would do, and people seem to really love them. This is my actual one that I'm using right now. As you can see, it has like all my notes and stuff in it right now. Cutesy purple little baddie one. It has some hearts on there and like some little dots, as you can see. Perfect for Halloween, perfect for spring, perfect for Halloween. They are a spiral notebook, and they do have lined pages, and then it says Halloween Happy on the back. And then I also have another design. So with these notebooks, it's the same design, but it is different colors, and I wanted to do one for like just everyday occasion. And then if you're like a true Halloween soul, the orange is so perfect. It's like the perfect October Halloween color. I just love these so much. It's like perfect for anything. You can journal in them, like little photo albums if you're into crafting. I tape in like Polaroids and write down what you've done on a certain day, or kind of like record your year and whatnot. Get it like jam-packed with all your photos and stickers. All of these spiral notebooks will be listed in my Etsy shop. They're so just a reminder, I do have some spooky pens that also go with my stationery. There are matching pens that go with the notebooks, and they also go with the sticky notes and the notepads. Pens right here will all be available in the shop. Some of them are currently listed, but they might be sold out. But you can find these, and they all do have like a super comfy pen grip right here, and it just clicks. They all write black ink, but they're super comfortable. These pens write like super smooth, they're not like gel, but it's like a soft ink, if that makes sense. So another new item that I tried out that I wanted to create, because with my planners that I do, I wanted to eventually come up with an idea of where I'm creating like a cover, but I'm a one-time cover design, and then I'm printing it out. I've been wanting to give my try at these, but I did make some horror bookmarks, and I am actually really obsessed with them. They did really well at my market, so they will be available in my shop, and I'm gonna do some new ones. I just kind of am playing around with like product type and stuff like that. These bookmarks are literally my favorite thing right now. So as you can see, I've been on like a horror kick, obviously, and I just love, like, I created this collage. Like Lisa Frankenstein, we have Wednesday, like all sorts of ones, but I'm excited to like get into making more bookmarks. Like this one is my favorite, obviously. They all come with tassels that coordinate perfectly with like the color theme and whatnot. Perfect for like the bookies, perfect for journaling. If you got a Bible, perfect for a Bible. Put a little horror thing in there, a little horror in your Bible. So yeah, bookmarks. Love, love, love. I'm obsessed with these. So I printed these out myself, laminated them myself. I'm still playing with these, but these are going to be available. They're like so cute, you guys. You're like opening your book and you just see this cute little collage bookmark. Like, come on. Come on. I also have some new keychains that I'm going to be adding. That is my heart design. So I was testing out these. I only did these 2 designs instead of, there's 3 designs in this collection, but there's the Dead Inside, which is on a super little light baby pink, and then this Ghouls Only is like on this, this is like the Halloween purple. But yeah, they're acrylic keychains. They're so, so cute. I just love how clunky they are. You can add little charms to them. You can add little pom-poms. I do have some charms and pom-poms that I might like offer as a bundle eventually. You could put them on your backpack, your purse, your tote, literally like, oh, I just love that sound. This keychain is already in my shop. I wanted to share it because it's just so, so cute, and it's probably my favorite one. Part of my Salem stamp collection. I'm gonna be doing some more little Salem spots, so stay tuned. But as you can see, it says HH up here for Halloween Happy, and then it has 31 cents, which I think is just so adorable. And this is the witch house right here, and it has all of these little pumpkins on it. I have this design available in magnets, stickers. Magnets are new. So when I was playing with keychain designs, my witch design, it just says a witch. For all my fellow witches out there. I liked them because I could add them to like a bundle and whatnot, like a little like cutesy keychain bundle. But I did want something a little bit bigger. I increased the size a little bit, which I'm much happier with these ones right here. See the size difference, but both of them are available. I don't know, let me know which one you guys like. Like this is for like a cutesy like little bundle or something, but this is like, I just like how big this is when you're just like, I don't know, it just feels good. But new magnets that are coming. I have a few magnets already, but I wanted to try this design. Testing the Ghouls Only design and then also the Dead Inside design. And I just like the size of them. It seems like people like magnets over the stickers because you can use these like more than once, obviously. And then I swore that I tested the same 2 designs in a like holographic sticker. I can only find the Ghouls Only. I thought I also did the Dead Inside. Like the little holographic border, which is really cute. I do have it's available in white too as well, but I think this one's a little more glitzy, you know? And I revamped my Salem heart sticker a little bit. These will also be in there. It's going back to my witch house design. Like I said, people asked me all the time because I have them in stickers. I also have them in big stickers like this size, so if you're looking for that, that is available. Before I just only offered them in like a super little cutie like mini size. Everyone's like, do you have them in magnets? I want a magnet. And so I finally got my witch house stamp design in magnets. So cute. For all of my coffee drinkers, my tea drinkers, I'm like obsessed with mugs, and it's crazy that I don't even have my own mug yet. Like how, that's insane. With as many mugs that I've purchased over the years. This is my first official mug, I'll say. This is the witch house design. I don't know if you can see it, but it does kind of have like this pearly essence to it, which I think is really pretty and really soft. It has a black handle, so it gives you like a little change up from just like your normal white mug. So those will be available in my shop. I hope you guys love them. I think they're so cute, and I definitely want to do more mugs because, I mean, come on. And one little last thing that I will also have available that will be new to my Etsy shop. I started doing these at markets and people loved them. Mystery coffins right here. They're so adorable. Look at them. It's a good steal for how much they are. You get, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little items in here, and they could be like little mini Halloween Happy items that are in my shop. You get them all in these coffins. I'm gonna wrap up this video and leave you here. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how your holidays were. I would love to hear, love to like catch up with you. I hope you guys are doing well. And don't forget to check out my Etsy shop this Monday night. Everything will be listed. Let me know what your favorite item is. Let me know what you would like to see in my shop. I would love your feedback. It helps out so much just because I have so many like I literally have a million ideas in my head and I want to do all of them, but I'm just like, then I get like paralyzed and then I don't post for 5 months. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Thanks again for watching. I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.